Hello rail fans, and welcome back to another video here on the Rusty Boxcar channel. Here we're going to have lots of Music City Star and Nashville and Eastern operations. First up is MCS 154, taken from the drone here, headed towards Nashville over Briley Parkway. Next up, we're going to see Music City Star 156 as it makes its way through Mount Juliet. And then the last two segments are going to be pretty cool videos that my son has taken on the Stones River Greenway, the bridge crossing the Stones River. First up, you're going to see a Nashville and Eastern freight train, and then you're going to see a Music City Star that he caught. Both of them are pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on the thumbs up below to give us a like. Also, please click on the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen to get a subscription to the channel. And send us a comment. Really enjoy reading all your comments, and I try to respond to each one of them. Thanks, and have a nice day.